Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to walk you through a couple of trades I sent out to our signals group on Thursday, which was my last trading day. I won't be back in the market until tomorrow now. I was just kind of waiting for the bank holidays to pass. If we just look at what's going on here, the market's obviously been pushing down, which is right in line with the DXY fundamentals too, which I had talked about. Right around this area, we told you guys that DXY was going to be bullish for quite some time. This was probably 2-3 weeks ago. We said this in our fundamentals video. And ultimately, it's been following the fundamentals quite well. So with that in mind, I'm still looking at more pips to the downside on Euro USD and GBP USD than the upside. So I have a couple areas of interest here. My first is this lit zone, which is essentially where orders transfer. So you had buyers here, sellers took out the buyers. Now lit's a bit of a weird one. Sometimes it will just react off the wicks and it won't actually run the candle. I don't love when this happens, but sometimes it does, and it's just one of those things. You can either wait for more PA to develop, or you're just kind of willing to try both reactions. In this particular case, I tried the first reaction. It ended up stopping me out, and we got back in after. So a couple bearish here. And as soon as it basically breaks itself here, so this bearish candle here, I executed one position. Now, I'm not going to lie to you guys, I was a little bit tight with the stop because I was trying to squeeze that extra R out. Usually I covered 2 pips above where I get in, so this should have likely been my actual stop. But that's a mistake on my part anyway. So this guy here stopped me out after some time, and we'll just go to the 5-minute. The context doesn't change though. I knew this wasn't a super high probability setup. This one was totally my bad. Had I taken my proper 2 pips above where I get in, I wouldn't have to re-enter, but nonetheless, I took a silly loss here when I didn't have to. So we run the initial reaction. We actually hit lit this time. If we check the price line, my line's not quite where it should be. It's more right here. So you can see we ran lit pretty comfortably. Again, unnecessary loss on my part, but it's all good. We take out the initial reaction, which is also inducement. It gets taken out, I'd say 50% of the time. So bearish pullback break. As soon as this break happens, you can enter. So my area of invalidation is these black candles here. I don't really expect the wick to be tested, but to be safe, I'll cover at least a pip above. If it comes above these black candles, this trade would be pretty much invalidated to me anyway. Yeah, so that was about the day on Euro USD. Nothing crazy. This one did end up going to TP. Our signals group obviously received these. All in all, a little bit disappointed with this day because there shouldn't have even been a loss. But here, if you notice, we had a really aggressive push into an area of liquidity, and then you kind of start creating buildup or slow price action. If you start seeing slow price action, what we're actually doing here is we're just building liquidity. And if we're building liquidity, it's usually to take something out. And usually slow builds target an external. Nearest external is this guy here. So that was the trade idea here. It does eventually go to TP here. I haven't really been around YouTube very often lately. I had to take a couple weeks to get some things done, but I got everything kind of sorted out now. I'll be back to making more of these, showing you more of the trades we take and why we take them. I'll also be back to updating you guys on the fundamentals we usually do every Sunday. So probably this coming Sunday here this week, I will go back to making these for you guys. Since quite a few of you messaged me and told me that you do enjoy these. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I'll be sure to make more of these. And if you already haven't subscribed, definitely do so. I will see you guys in the next one.